If a man loves you, there are some signs that he is going to express. If a man loves you, there are some character, behavior he is going to show to express his feelings. So in today's video, I am going to share with you, or I am going to tell you 7 signs that he will show if he has interest on you. If you want to know more about relationship, online dating, or dating advices, you are on the right channel. Subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell to get notified anytime I upload a good content like this. So let's continue. Number 1 sign he is going to show you is that he is going to admire you so much. That is admiration. He will admire you so much. He will always stare at you. He will always look at you with pleasure, smiling face. Every time he will be like he wants to see you, he wants to talk to you, and he wants to be with you. Smiling and staring at you is the most first sign every man will start to give you if he has interest on you. When a man stares at you every time, he is developing that love. He is developing that urge, and the love is growing gradually. That staring at you, looking at you with pleasure, is a sign of interest. So that is the number 1 sign a man will show you if he has interest on you. Number 2 is that he will like to be with you. Anywhere you are, anywhere you are going, maybe you are in a working place, that man will like to be there. Anywhere you are, he will like to be there. He would like you to be in his life. He would like to make some conversation, discussions with you. All these things are signs of interest on you. Number 3 is that he will tell you about his family and friends, because he has interest on you and he wants to know you more than anything. And the same thing goes to him, because he wants you to know him, to know his friends, to know people he associates with. This thing is as a reason for you to know him more, because he feels that when you know his friends, you can be able to accept him as easy as possible. When a man introduces his friends to you, it is a sign of acceptance. It is a sign of loving he has for you. It is also a sign of total submission. He has chosen you. That is why he wants you to know his friends and families. So any man who introduces his friends to you, definitely it expresses that he has interest on you, and it is a great sign. And introducing you to his family members is a great sign of interest. Number 4 is that he will take you as part of his plan. What do I mean as part of his plan? He will make room and opportunities for you. He will put you as number 1 priority in his life. He will make sure that you are comfortable before any other thing. He will make sure that he came to solve your problems, to know how good you are and how to keep you safe. So anyone that loves you must make you part of his plan. Number 5 is that anyone that loves you will like to buy a gift for you. Gift does not mean that he will buy a car. Gift does not mean that he will buy luxurious gifts. Gift is a gift, no matter how small it is. Any man who can afford to buy a gift for a woman loves that woman immensely. And any man who buys a gift for a woman admires that woman. It means that he recognizes that woman for the best in his life. So any man that buys a gift for you shows a great sign of interest. Any man who don't love you cannot buy a gift. But for the fact that he buys a gift for you is a sign of love and interest on you. So once a man buys a gift for you, no matter how small, accept it. But accepting it means that you will accept his proposal, or you will accept him as your friend. Remember, it is not good to collect a gift from somebody you know that you cannot mingle with, or it is very bad to accept a gift from a man since you know that you have nothing and you can never have anything common with him. So be careful with it. Accepting a gift from a man shows that you will comply. Don't pretend that you don't know what he is coming for, or he is just giving you a gift. No man will just buy a gift like that, except both of you have something in common. Maybe you have relation. So any man buying a gift for you has interest on you, and it is a sign of interest. Number 6 sign a man will show is that number 6 sign a man will show is that he will always call you. For a man to bring out time to call you on phone is a very big sign of interest. Any man who don't love you will never bother to call you on phone. Any man who don't love you will never bother to hear your voice, talk more of discussing with you. And you know, the more both of you are discussing, the more he is knowing you, and you too, you are knowing him. So any man that loves you must like to call you, especially hearing their sweet voice makes a man to have more love for you. It ignites the love in him for you, because I believe that hearing your voice triggers the affection in him. So if a man calls you, it means that he loves you. So accept him with all your heart and enjoy the relationship. Number 7 and the last sign a man will show you is that he will provide for you. What do I mean by provision? Provision in the sense that anything you need, you might not tell him, but he will presume and predict that you need this, and he will buy it and give it to you as a gift. It shows he has interest on you. It shows that he has much love for you. So any man that loves you must endeavor to buy a gift. Though both of you has nothing in common, but he will buy a gift. So the number 1 bonus and the number 8 bonus that I am going to give you is that a man that loves you must like to have a date with you. He would like to invite you over to his place, over to a hotel, over to a bar, a special place where both of you can talk, have fun, think, plan together. From the conversation you people have, that is where both of you will start knowing each other very well. From having a date, that is when both of you will start making eye contact, body language. That is when both of you will know that this thing is going to work or it's not going to work. And after the first date, and he still invites you again, it means that he loves you so much. So anyone that loves you will endeavor to give you a date, and he will invite you over and over and over again. And you know that the more both of you are coming closer, the more the love increases. Here is the end of today's video. I hope you like this video and it is helpful. Like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell to be the first person that will get notified anytime I upload a good content like this. If you have any question, or you can comment below. If you want to say something, let me know what you think on this video. If you want me to help you on any video or on any questions, put it down on the comment section below. I promise that I will reply as soon as possible. Thank you for watching my video, and thank you for stopping by. Have a great day.